A little rainy morning here at Lake of the Ozarks. And we noticed this morning that we now have a drone here in the lake. And we're told that it's to measure the depths, possibly. Maybe y'all can comment down here on the old bloop bloop box and tell me what is really going on here. We'll get some truth. Pretty cool little doodad. Zoom in on it one more time for you here. Starting to sprinkle out here. I'm told by others that it's to measure depths of the lake, and it also has possibly some type of a solar setup on it to where, oh, there it is turning towards us. You can kind of see it underneath there. Oh, now it's going to go back the other direction. It's been kind of doing this cross grid pattern since we've seen it here this morning around the lake. Anyway, if you watch this video today, kind of leave a comment, and again, as always, like and subscribe for future content coming your way.